Hey poetry students, it's Cody Miller again. I am here with a instructional video slash direction video for the workshop poem submissions. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see what I see, or I can see what you would see. When you're in the smaller homework assignment area, you will see this area that says workshop one or workshop. So group one workshop poems, group two workshop poems, group three workshop poems. So what you do is you then click on the directions. This should actually, I need to change that. That should say poems, not flash fiction. That's my fault. When you look at this, you'll notice that you have been separated into groups, okay? These groups correspond with when you will actually submit your first poem for workshop. And the process is that you write a poem, you then submit it underneath the poetry workshop for your group. Then other students from the other groups go in and respond to those. So a nice way to think about these is that the workshop poems and the way that you respond to those is very similar to how you do the reading responses that come due earlier in the week, except for we do these in groups. So when group one posts their poem in the forums, according to the date that's on the syllabus or on the schedule, as well as on the forums, group two and three will be responsible for this part right here. Okay, so it says workshop responses. So you'll be responsible for those, okay? And then once group two posts their poem, the next class, group one and three, will then go in and respond to their poems. Then it says group three will post their poem, then group one and two will go in and respond. When you go in and respond, essentially what you're doing is you're preparing yourself for when we have workshop where the poet will read their poem out loud, and then we will provide feedback for them in class. So you're essentially giving yourself some things to talk about to the poet in class when we do workshop. Okay, hopefully that makes a little bit more sense. It lays out the process for you. You're going to follow these directions for your actual responses. You'll see here, essentially I'm asking you to do this for 2 poems that are posted for the group that you're not in. And then it gives you a minimum of 2 sentences, minimum of 2 sentences, minimum of 2 sentences. And that's ultimately what I'll be looking for when I go in to grade these, okay? So please email me if you have any questions. Let me know what I can do to clarify. Other than that, stay brilliant, and I will see you all in class.